Sometimes Kev's here, Poppy's Kitchen, and we are going to make a homemade pizza, make the dough and everything. That's delicious.
Alright, so first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your dough ready to go. So just use a packet or make it from scratch. Just look it up in a recipe or look it up online. There's plenty of good recipes out there. I just use a envelope, looks like Kroger brand. Takes just a couple minutes and then you set it aside. It'll be a little sticky, just put it in a bowl, put a towel over. So now that your dough's in the pan, it's kind of rising, doing this little thing. Get all your ingredients together: pepperoni, brown your sausage, chop up your onion, grate your cheese. Always grate your cheese. Another pro tip: grate your cheese, and once you put your sauce on, if you don't make it yourself, that's fine. Use jar sauce, much easier. It tastes just about as good. But if you add a little bit of Italian seasoning on your crust, right when you put your sauce on, before you cook it, you put all your ingredients on, you'll get that flavor that will come through. And, so then you're going to pat this out and make a round pizza or a couple of square pizzas. Maybe you want pepperoni and onion, and someone else in the family that's going to eat doesn't want any onions on it. And just make 2 square ones. It's so simple. Just follow the directions. Yeah, now the fun part. Let's assemble these pizzas. No wrong way of doing it, but you got to put the sauce down first. Not too much sauce because it'll be sloppy. Not too little sauce because you want to taste it. Like I said, put a little bit of Italian seasoning on there, or maybe some parsley, ground up parsley and Parmesan. And then I like to do a layer of cheese. Not a huge thick layer of cheese, but I like a layer of cheese. And then I'll put my toppings on, and then at the very end I will put another small layer of cheese. And maybe that last layer of cheese may be the sharp cheddar or the Monterey Jack or what the yellower cheese that you have. Of course, you should have some mozzarella on there. And I just like doing that. You might want your pepperonis all the way on top, so they'll kind of brown up and curl the edges and get a little crunchy. And you might want your onions on top. But pretty much basic, just sauce, cheese, toppings, and then sprinkle some more cheese on there and pop it in the oven. Yeah, that was fun. Now the pizzas are ready to go in your preheated oven. Make sure that you preheat it between 400 and 450. 450 is better, 425 is fine. Just get it hot. Yes, in they go, this super hot preheated oven, 450, you can get it there for 10 to 15 minutes. Now follow the directions on the package. About 12 minutes is what I found, but your oven may vary. You just got to take a quick peek at it after 10, 11, 12 minutes. Cheese should be nice and melted and bubbly. Lift up the crust a little bit, peek underneath there, it should be turning brown and a little bit crispy. Alright, you made this far, I know you're excited. But don't cut it yet, give it about 1.5 to 2.5 minutes to rest.
Very good. Crust, delicious. A little brown on the bottom like it needs to be, but this one got drizzled with sour cream and hot chili sauce. That's it, right there. Sometime Kev in the Poppy's Kitchen with another hand food. Make it to love it.